Before starting this activity, what I will do is I'll make a crease on this plain paper so that I would get a half of this page. Okay, so see here, I've got the half side of the page. Now here I will draw a line. Okay, on this line I'll start doing my activity. Now to make a right angle triangle, for making the square root spiral, we need the help of only this protractor and one scale and pencil and the paper. Okay, now we'll take the center, or you can take it anywhere, but if the square root spiral would be round in shape, would be circular in shape, so here we would be plotting the point as the center of the page. Okay, now here from this I would be taking over here as 1 inch so that it would be looking bigger. Okay, as 1 inch. So as you all can see here, I am marking this point at a distance of 1 inch. Now these points have been already joined. Now what I will do is I will draw a perpendicular on this point with the help of this protractor. Okay, again we have to consider it over the same point, the distance of 1 inch only. Okay, you need to draw a perpendicular only at a distance of 1 inch. Okay, here also 1 inch and here also 1 inch perpendicular. Throughout the square root spiral, we will be drawing the perpendicular at a distance of 1 inch. Now we'll join this point to make the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Now this is 1 inch, this is 1 inch. We have already derived root 2 as the hypotenuse. So this would be my root 2. Okay, now what I will do is I will draw again one perpendicular through this point. So see here, I have marked the point to draw the perpendicular. Okay, but make sure that you draw it only at a distance of 1 inch. Okay, so see here, again I have joined 1 inch. Now again I'll join this point to make its hypotenuse. Now again doing the same calculation by applying the Pythagoras theorem, we will get this value as root 3. Now again we will be drawing this perpendicular. Make sure when you draw the perpendicular, you put this protractor properly on the hypotenuse side so that the measurements would not get affected. This is 90 degree. Again I will be drawing the side at a distance of 1 inch. So see here, it is the perpendicular. Okay, make sure you make the symbol of perpendicular. Okay, now I'll be joining this again to have the value as root 4. Okay, now again I will be drawing this. Okay, so friends, here you can see that I have completed drawing my square root spiral. It could be extended more if my paper would have been more bigger than this. Here I have used only this A4 size paper, but you can use your drawing paper as well, okay, to make the bigger square root spiral. See here I have mentioned over here that root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10, root 11, up to root 17 I have drawn this square root spiral, okay. So you can make bigger than this, okay. So this is how you can create your own square root spiral to know about your numbers, that is specifically about rational numbers and irrational numbers more effectively. Thank you everyone.